Welcome to this tutorial on tagging and creating Form Listbox in the Prep Tag Editor. A listbox is a UI element that displays a list of items, allowing users to select one or more items from the list. It typically shows all options at once and does not include an input field for custom entries. Adding a listbox to form simplifies PDF form filling. To tag and create a form listbox, enable draw mode by clicking the pencil icon in the Prep Tag Editor. Click the form creation icon to open the form elements tagging options. Select the list box icon and draw a bounding box around the designated list area. Enter the field name and tooltip in the Properties section. Click the OPT menu in the Properties section. Add the option values to the list box. Set the required conditions you want to apply to the list box. Click the Save and Close button to save the option values. Ensure the list box is properly tagged for accuracy and accessibility. By following these steps, you enhance document accessibility and improve user experience. That's it. You've successfully tagged and created a form list box in the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.